Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, this is going to be a great thumbs up for you. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make cheesy chicken pasta and spinach. It's going to look like, going to remind you of spaghetti, but it's not spaghetti. So let me show you rather than tell you, because I think you're going to really want to duplicate it. Okay? Alright, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Let's do it. Thank you. So I have here, this is some chicken thigh that I cut up when it was partially frozen. And so I have pieces about this size, okay? Let me just wash my hands. Okay, so now let's season it. I have on the stove here some olive oil in the frying pan. I also cooked 1/3 box of white spaghetti pasta and 1/3 cup box, 1/3 box of whole grain spaghetti pasta. Okay, so that's how I got the mixture of the color. And I cooked it for 12 minutes. I strained it and then I ran cold water on it until it was cool. And so that's what we have here. Okay. Okay, so now let's season our chicken. Granulated onion. Black pepper. And I want to put some garlic on it. This is ground garlic. I put a 1/2 tablespoon. And some salt substitute. Okay, we're going to just mix this up. I'm putting it in the olive oil. Now that's a lot for 3 chicken thighs, right? Okay, I'm going to also add some sassoon on the chicken. So you notice I'm trying to bring that flavor up. I'm going to put some more onion powder because I don't think I have enough. Okay. Turn that fire up. Okay, let me introduce you to the other items that I'm going to be adding to the dish. This is diced tomatoes that I drained and rinsed off so that it's just the tomatoes, not the juice. This is grated cheese blend. If you don't have this, you may have Parmesan cheese. It's okay. I'm going to be using cream of chicken, which is soup, but it's condensed, so it's sort of thick like a gravy. And baby spinach. Okay? I have a big piece here that didn't get cut all the way through. Okay, great. I'm just spreading the chicken out so it can cook. Okay, I'm going to put a cover over the chicken. Okay, so I'm going to give that 2 minutes and we'll be right back. Okay, our chicken has been cooking over 5 minutes. Oh yeah, it's done. You remember we had thin slices, so it doesn't take long, and when you put the top over the frying pan, it really helps to speed up the cooking time. Okay, let me show you. Okay? Okay, so now I'm going to put this in the container. I'm going to use this frying pan just like that with all the goodness down in there. I put some olive oil in the frying pan. Now, I'm going to add some spinach and the pasta. Okay, that was 3 big handfuls of spinach. If I was to guess, it's probably 6 cups of spinach, because you know spinach is bulky until it cooks. And you see I'm getting all that goodness onto the spinach. Now I'm going to add the pasta. And the tomatoes. And now let's add some seasoning. And a half a tablespoon of garlic. Black pepper, granulated onion, some salt substitute, or salt if you use regular salt. Some more olive oil on top of that. Okay, now I'm going to mix this all up. Make sure you blend in that garlic. Okay, now I'm going to add the grated cheese. As much as you like. I'm going to say I added around 3/4 of a cup. I'm going to add a little sassoon, not much, just a little. Oh boy, guys, look at that. Oh, we're talking. I'm going to add the chicken. And I'm opening my can of cream of mushroom soup. Okay, let's go ahead and add about 1, 2, 3, that was actually about 4 because that was a big one. Okay, we're going to call it a half a can. The can is 10 ounces, so 5 ounces. That's going to bring it all together. Oh boy, look at that. I'm just going to give it a little thickness, not much. Yes. Oh, this looks delicious. Okay, guys, let me taste. Wow. That is awesome. I do want to add some pepper. And we're there, guys. We're there. Oh boy, are we there. Okay, I'm going to plate this up for you. The word of the day. The word of the day is take care of yourself and then each other. Think about that. Take care of yourself and then each other. It's impossible for you to take care of anyone else unless you take care of you first. You have to be whole first. You have to be feeling okay first. You have to have enough energy to look at you and care about your needs first before you can deliver care for someone else. Because if you deliver care for someone else and you neglect you, guess what? It's going to be you who's facing you when you get home. And you're going to remember you didn't do for self. Self is first, others is next. Thank you for caring. That's the word of the day. Okay, so let me show you our chicken, pasta, and spinach dish. How about that? You like it? I love it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, let me taste for you. Just gonna get me a little. Okay, I have some pasta, spinach, tomatoes, and chicken. Wow. I love the flavor. I love pasta. And all the flavors really came out just nice. Absolutely superb. What brought it together is that cream of chicken soup. You know, just putting half of that can was just enough. Oh, you must try it. You're gonna love it. You know, you can now eliminate the beef and switch to chicken. And here's a new pasta dish with spinach. Why not? You are gonna love it. I love it. Okay? Okay, so give a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe, okay? I'll talk to you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.